my name is Noemi Valle. I'm a member of the STUD team. The product owner for the startup project is Robert Hacker, and our mentor is Masoud Sahari. In this video, I will talk about a user story in Sprint 3 to process a questionnaire after the applicant has completed it. After the questionnaire is submitted by the applicant, the first step is to rate the overall questionnaire based on the answers picked by the user. Secondly, we need to assign a cohort to this questionnaire, and the cohort that is assigned is the one that is set as current. To create these cohorts, I also had some subtasks like creating a JSON file with cohorts information and implement the cohort repository to save it in MongoDB. Finally, the questionnaire is saved in MongoDB as well after the overall rate has been calculated and the cohort has been assigned to it. So now if we go to our repository in Bitbucket, we'll see here that in the resources we have a cohorts JSON file, and it currently has two cohorts. So we set up one of them as the current, by setting the current property to true, and the other one would be the next one. So at some point in time, this will change and this will become the current one, and this will be the past cohort. So for the implementation in the repository, I created a cohort repository to save that information in MongoDB. Again, using the MongoDB class from Spring Framework. And in the service package, we have the questionnaire service class. And this questionnaire service is where we initialize the information. We load the cohorts by loading the resource, parsing the cohorts, and saving them in the repository. In this class, we also have the process questionnaire processing method, where it receives the questionnaire object that has all the questions and answers from the applicant. The first call is to calculate the questionnaire result, and the second one is to find what is the current cohort and assign it to the questionnaire. Here is where we calculate the results, and for this calculation we use for each question we use the rate for the skill that for the skill that question belongs to, and also the number of questions per each skill. So this is the formula used to calculate the results. Thank you for your attention. You can send me an email, or we can also be contacted through Jira, because we're using the Agile methodology and it accepts any type of variation or adjustment to our development. Thank you.